Standard 4th, Subject English, Chapter From the Post Box. Hi children! Today we will see how to sort quarrels between friends. Sonali, Neeta, Himani and Manish are all friends. Sometimes they have fights and quarrels, but they get over their quarrels. That is because they know a magic word. You can read it in Sonali's letter to Neeta. Can you find it? Let's see what is written in their letters. Dear Himani, please come to my house on Sunday. We will play and have a lot of fun. Sonali. Sonali, I'm angry with you. I will not talk to you. Neeta. Dear Neeta, why are you angry with me? Please write and tell me. Sonali. Sonali, you talk and play with Himani all the time. You don't play with me now. Neeta. Dear Neeta, I am sorry. I like Himani and I like you too. Please talk to me. I am your friend. Sonali. So children, did you find the magic word? Yes, ma'am. The magic word used by Sonali is sorry. This word helped them to be friends again. That's true. When we use magic words like sorry, thanks, please, our conversation becomes more polite and these words do the work of making things proper within seconds. Always try to use these magic words when you talk with someone.